This metal outdoor storage shed offers a genuinely roomy interior that easily swallows garden tools, lawn equipment, and bulky seasonal items while still leaving space to move around. Its galvanized steel panels and reinforced frame give a reassuring sense of solidity, resisting dents, warping, and long-term weather exposure better than many lighter-duty sheds. The gently sloped roof and integrated ventilation help keep moisture from lingering inside, which is especially valuable if you are storing power tools, cushions, or anything sensitive to damp air. Thoughtful safety touches like protected screw heads and a sturdy lockable door make the shed feel secure and user-friendly for everyday access. Beyond basic storage, the structure is versatile enough to serve as a tidy bike garage, trash can enclosure, or even a sheltered nook for pets, helping the yard look more organized. Clearly labeled parts, a logical assembly sequence, and included work gloves make the build process smoother, especially when tackled by two people, as recommended.